Then we can switch to our next interesting working field, and this is, let me say, applications and components for that. Remote services often require connections to mobile devices, and I want to switch right now a little bit to secure software applications.
Yeah, I think we had a very nice example there of a collaboration between a traditional engineering company, Maschinenfabrik Rheinhausen, together with a startup from Munich, Bildnachweis, and they had a really innovative ideas. And well, I'm a big fan, you know that, of network security, but that example clearly showed there are situations where there is no network around to be protected and to rely on, but you need to address security at the component level and on the communication level. I think you really took some insights from that example.
That was really impressive, and I want to draw the attention to the image we see. This is a pile for electricity, where somebody does the service, and above the pile there is a transformator with a power switch, and this power switch should be controlled, configured, tested, and taken into service. Normally it is done when the worker goes upstairs to the transformer and does the work manually, which is really dangerous because he is directly in the high voltage area. No good idea. And the solution of, in that case of Bildnachweis 3038 and Rheinhausen, is to have a wireless link between the worker and the power switch. A classical IoT link, which requires full security because it's a critical infrastructure component.
Yeah, and as this picture shows, everyone can virtually access those components physically. It's not like we have a secure production environment with a nice building around it and fences and video surveillance, but they are distributed all over the world.
And the interesting and maybe also a little bit surprising aspect is that they achieved really an app, a solution running on a standard smartphone or tablet. And this tablet could be user-owned. It must not be a special tablet. The security mechanisms which come with this application are so strong and encapsulate the whole application that it could be performed, it could be run very, very safely and securely. I want to switch over to the architecture for that. And we have a complex situation with certificates where the manufacturer for the software, which is Bildnachweis 38, has their own certificate on the one hand. On the other hand, also the machine provider, or the transformer manufacturer, in this case it's Rheinhausen, they provide a special certificate. And on the third hand, the provider of the network, of the electricity network, he in addition has a special security certificate. And these three components, in combination with a limited access in time slots and in location, make sure that nobody else could really handle that and control that IoT infrastructure component, this transformer to be precisely. A good example considering security right from the beginning.